Today I am explaining you common size statement. Let's start with common size balance sheet. In common size balance sheet, data of 2 years or maybe of 1 year is given in the question. Write this question in your copy and solve it after watching this video. To get better understanding, data is given in question is first data is of 2020 years means current year, and second data is 2019, that is of previous year. But to solve the question, we have to write first data of previous year, that is 2019, and then data of current year, that is 2020. There are 6 columns in common size balance sheet. First, particulars, in which we write items of balance sheet. Next, note number. Next, data of previous year. In this question, previous year is 2019. Next, data of current year for 2020. Next, percentage of 2019 year. Then next, percentage of 2020 years. In common size balance sheet, total of balance sheet is taken as base. So first write 100 in the column of total of balance sheet. Now we are calculating percentage of each and every item of balance sheet. In 2019, amount of share capital is 11 lakh, multiplied by 100 divided by 20 lakh, that is the total of balance sheet. So percentage is 55%. Next, borrowings 6 lakh into 100 divided by total of balance sheet, that is 30%. Next, trade payables 3 lakh into 100 divided by total of balance sheet, that is 15%, and the total is 100. Check it that the total is 100. Next, in asset side, 14 lakh into 100 divided by 20 lakh, that is 70%. Next, 5 lakh into 100 divided by 20 lakh is equal to 25%. Next, 1 lakh into 100 divided by total of balance sheet 20 lakh, that is 5%, and total is again 100%. So we are dividing each and every item of 2019 by the total of balance sheet of 2019 to get percentage of each and every item. And in the same way, we are going to calculate percentage of 2020 years. Share capital 18 lakh into 100 divided by total of 2020 balance sheet is 30 lakh is equal to 60%. Borrowings 3 lakh into 100 divided by total of balance sheet 30 lakh is equal to 10%. Next, trade payables 9 lakh into 100 divided by total of balance sheet 30 lakh is equal to 30%. Again the total is 100%. And in asset side, fixed assets 18 lakh into 100 divided by 30 lakh is equal to 60%. Then trade receivables 10 lakh into 100 divided by 30 lakh is equal to 33.3%. Next, 2 lakh into 100 divided by 30 lakhs is equal to 6.7%, and check total is 100%. So in 2020, we divide all the data of balance sheet of 2020 by the total of balance sheet of 2020, that is 30 lakh. Now common size statement of profit and loss. Write this question in your copy and solve it after watching this video. In common size statement of profit and loss, sales, that is revenue from operation, is taken as 100%, and each and every item is divided by sales. In 2019, other income is 1,60,000 into 100 divided by sales of 2016, that is 16 lakh, 10%. Then 17,60,000 into 100 divided by revenue from operation of 2019, that is 16 lakh, and then 10%. Then 8,40,000 into 100 divided by revenue from operation 16 lakh is equal to 52.5%. Next, 40,000 into 200 divided by revenue from operation 16 lakh is equal to 2.5%, and so on. In this particular column, you can check that 100 plus 10 is equal to 110%, 52.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 55%, 55 minus 27.5% is equal to 27.5%. So all these columns are calculated in same way. Total revenue, this plus this, this plus this, and this plus this. Total expenses, this plus this, this plus this, and this plus this. Profit before tax, third minus 4, 1760 minus 880, 3150 minus 1935, 110 minus 55, that is 55%. Tax is 50%, 880 का 50%, 440, 55 का 50%, 27.5%, and remaining is 27.5%. Next, we calculate data for 2020. 150 into 100 divided by revenue from operation of 2020, 30 lakh is equal to 5%. Next, 31 lakh 50,000 into 100 divided by 30 lakh is equal to 105%, and so on. So then in this statement you can check, and again in 2020 100 plus 5 105, 60 plus 4.5 64.5. After deducting 64.5 from 105 is equal to 35.5%, and 40% of it is 14.2, and by deducting 14.2 from 35.5 is equal to 21.3%. In common size statement of profit loss in 2019, each and every item is divided by 16 lakh, and in 2020 each and every item is divided by 30 lakh, that is revenue from operation.